Well, what do we have here, folks? Now this here is a machine. It's a machine. Yeah, we got some work to do on it, but nonetheless, don't we work on them all? Got a few things to take care of for the man. And we're going to do an absolutely awesome job. Because that's what we do. We're going to take care of stuff. This one's going away. Unfortunately, the owner of this machine decided to trade it off for another green one. So I don't get to do the work on the insurance work, but whatever. That's no fuss, no muss. But on another token here, we got a little project that came in, and you'll have to excuse me, I wasn't feeling good today. I felt like, you know what? I think it's a little bit of job-related stress. I wonder if there's a disability for that, or if we just got to suck it up and deal with it. I think we got to suck it up and deal with it. So, at any rate, it's good therapy to talk to a camera with nobody listening either. This is our local. They brought it to me the other day, the truck, and this corner of the plow. And of course, for you folks that don't live in Wisconsin, these things get used 5 months out of the year, maybe 4, but we're right on schedule. And what was going on is this corner of the blade, when they lifted it up, was this close to the ground. And so if I show you, and I'm going to show you, if I can find the pieces. Yeah, like here, Kyle just finished, he welded that in this morning. That was down to this plate. So 3/4 of an inch. Plus, the piece that's cut off right now, they're going to fabricate another piece on here, which is 5 inches wide. It was wore down to about this. So if you take that and translate it out another 4 feet, that the tip angle of this plow was coming way down to here when it should have been up to here. And like I said, if you put a level on it, they need more clearance, because you get on uneven roads and uneven surface, that corner of the plow would dig in. So it's basically a leftover highway department plow that the towns buy, and which is fine, they're all good units, but they need some maintenance like that once in a while. So we're fabricabling, is that what I said? And we're going to make it good again. So we're not trying to peel up frozen blacktop or curb and gutter and stuff. So anyways, that's just where we're at right at the moment. And the old parts, I've been having a real problem with parts guys lately. I don't know what the hell's going on, but if everybody got like a case of God, you guys can comment if it's that way all around the world, but people would, I don't know. I asked them to order parts 2 weeks ago for it. They ordered the highest expensive parts. They got them in, and my wife went to pick them up today, and then she said, well, where's the other stuff? We didn't order that stuff. We'll ship it to your shop. It'll be there tomorrow. So, whatever. You find it in every aspect of the world. Nobody gives a shit anymore, and that's my rant. Nobody gives a shit about morals, respect. So should we just join the club and say, I ain't gonna give a crap about your stuff, or should we stand our ground and say, I'm gonna work my ass off to make this guy a happy customer? What do you think? Part of it's just a rant today, but whatever. So, say bye-bye to green. More yellow. What are you doing here? Cooking stuff? Am I interrupting you?
Mm-hmm.
You hate when I do that? No, you like it. Auto greaser. Troy's fixing the line as they go to the auto greaser. The tubers. See the tubers? Hey, and make sure you don't get dirt in them like that. Be like a little pot pipe. See it? Ooh, that's what happens?
Mm-hmm.
Something got pinched in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Steered and pinched off.
Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna catch Kyle doing a little bit of welding and then we're gonna be good. We put this on hold for a day. We got that ready to go, but we put this on hold because we have a tendency to take care of these Ponsse guys. Yeah, he came in at 5:30 last night, this machine, and we were putting a kit on the booms. It's an update, we call it, and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. They started on it this morning, tore everything off, and he's already welding. We'll have her done tomorrow morning. It'll be down for only a day, which is what I like to see, how we treat these guys. Ponsse family stuff, you know. Looks like a Martian up there. Here we go again, boys and girls. It's after work. Guys just left. What I was showing Troy doing before was there's an auto greasing system on this whole machine. And the way these guys are in the woods and whatever, it's just the way it goes. The brush and stick sometimes get at these steel lines and pop them off, break them. So we replaced both of those today at the customer's request. And he called a little while ago and he asked me to have the guys do some other stuff. I'm gonna have them try to get this door adjusted straight. It must have got whacked. And we'll get that thing to latch again for the customer. That one he didn't ask me to do. We're just gonna do that one. A couple other things I got in mind, perhaps check the preheater on it. It's starting to get to be winter, and a lot of times these guys don't think of it until it's a little late, but I'll bring you back to some more welding tomorrow. Kyle got one side of the kit installed, and that is a factory update that we put on these things. And so he's not quite as good as I am yet, but give him a little time, he'll be there. And so at any rate, that's half done. And the customer did call today and said, right here, I think they are, they over tighten or whatever. We got to take that oil tank off, weld some new nuts on it, and somewhere down on the saw box there's some stripped out bolts. The way these things get banged around, it doesn't surprise me at all, and that's just what we're going to do. We're going to do what the customer wants. So okay. Yeah, it's H7. Yep. So that's what we're up to on that deal. I'm guessing they're in there. Well, we'll figure that out. Oh, right there's one too. Yep. So it's the little things that matter. A lot of guys know that. It's the little things that matter. We might take this out and adjust them slides too. Look like there's a little premature wear going on there. Anyhow, yeah, that's what we're up to. So I'll bring you back for some more welding on it, hopefully soon.